Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Did you know that without bees, many of the foods we enjoy would be in short supply? That's today's topic, bees. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and get ready to embark on a peaceful journey where we explore the fascinating world of bees and learn about the art of beekeeping. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air. As you exhale, let go of any tension or worries, allowing your body and mind to relax. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful meadow surrounded by blooming flowers and tall grass. The air is warm and filled with the sweet scent of nectar. In front of you, there is a wooden beehive buzzing with activity. Take a moment to observe the bees as they fly in and out of the hive, diligently collecting nectar and pollen. Their wings create a gentle hum, creating a soothing and peaceful ambience. You can see the bright colors of the flowers as they attract the bees with their sweet nectar. As you approach the hive, you notice a beekeeper in a white suit working calmly and attentively. The beekeeper guides you through the process of beekeeping, explaining how bees play a vital role in pollination and honey production. You learn about the teamwork and cooperation of the bees as they work together for the benefit of the hive. As you watch the beekeeper, you can feel a sense of awe and admiration for these tiny creatures. Their dedication and hard work inspire you to appreciate the small miracles that happen in nature every day. The beekeeper invites you to wear a protective suit and approach the hive with curiosity and respect. You carefully open the hive and observe the intricate honeycomb structures inside. Each cell is filled with golden honey, a testament to the bees' tireless efforts. You can taste the sweetness of the honey on your tongue, savoring its natural goodness. The beekeeper explains how bees communicate through dance and pheromones, marveling at their complex social structure. As you stand among the buzzing bees, you feel a sense of harmony and interconnectedness with nature. You realize the importance of preserving the habitat and protecting these incredible creatures. The beekeeper shares stories of how bees contribute to the health of ecosystems and the importance of pollinators in maintaining biodiversity. Take a moment to reflect on the lessons you've learned from the bees. Their hard work, cooperation, and resilience can serve as an inspiration in your own life. Just like the bees, you have unique talents and strengths that can contribute to the world around you. As you start to bring the meditation to a close, express gratitude for the bees and the beekeeper for sharing their wisdom with you. Take a deep breath in, filling yourself with gratitude and appreciation. And as you exhale, release any remaining tension or stress. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling grounded and centered. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty and importance of bees in our world. Remember the lessons you've learned from the beekeeper and the bees about hard work, cooperation, and appreciation for nature. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and carry the calmness and wisdom you gained from this meditation with you throughout your day. Remember, just like the bees, you have the power to make a positive impact on the world around you. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.